Okay, this is section 1.6. And I'm just going to go over some of the highlights of this for the homework. This is we're talking about experiments and observational studies. Oops. And let's see. So basically, an experiment would be something like this, where you've got as a general statement, you've got your subjects, and then you have the two different treatments. Treatment 1, there might be treatment 2, and you might have what we call a control group, although not always. And a control group is what we say, oftentimes we use a placebo, so that if treatment 1 and 2 are taking some sort of medicine or pill or something like that, then we want this control group to think they're taking a medicine, so that all three groups are the same in the sense that, oh, we're all taking medicine. So any kind of placebo effect where you think you're getting better because you're taking something will be equal. How else do we make them equal? We randomly assign them. Okay, we randomly assign the groups. Therefore, all three of these groups will be the same. Any lurking variables in my subjects will be spread out evenly, theoretically, in the three groups. So therefore, the response, if I compare the response, it will be due to the treatments, the difference in the treatments. Okay? So these are the questions that we need to mean. What does it mean to be placebo controlled? Right? We have a placebo group here. Double blind means the subjects don't know what treatment they're getting, which is good. But it also means that's single blind. Double blind, though, means that the people evaluating don't know either. So if there's any subjectivity to how I respond to what's happening, I can't put my bias or my leanings into it. I have to report just what I see. Okay, I can't know, oh, that one's doing treatment A, and A is the good one, so I'm going to say that they did a little bit better. We don't want any of that. Okay, this would be the response variables that we're looking for, right? Explanatory variable are the treatments. Okay, typically. So we've got a couple of experiments that we're talking about here. We're talking about response variables. How do we control different factors that could affect the outcome? Well, we randomly assign. That controls all of those things, right? Now, if I know my treatments are going to vary between males and females, then I might do something called blocking, and I might say, oh, I'm going to do males here, and I'm going to do females here, and do the same experiment among the females. Okay, treatment 1, treatment 2, and the placebo. If I know the treatments are going to affect the males and females differently, this is called blocking. Okay, that's something that we do sometimes. Alright, and these are all experiments that are done. You've got the answers in the back to take a look at on these. This is, by the way, this is called a completely randomized design, the way that I drew this right here. What's blocked, but this treatment here is completely randomized design. I randomly put them into groups, okay, and then assign the treatments. Okay, and these are two examples of randomized design experiments. So, just want to kind of say that and go over that a little bit. Let's see, how are the different ways we can randomly assign them into groups? Well, I can say pick a number, and if you pick an even number, you go here, you pick an odd number, you go there. Oops, I got 3, I can't do even and odds. I'd have to say put your names in a hat, and the first name I pull goes to the first group, the second name goes to the second group, third name goes to the third group, and so forth. So there's different ways to assign these things. It's also okay to say, I'm going to do this. Treatment 1, then treatment 2, like in the first part, the bicycle problem, or treatment 2 and then treatment 1. So I might have some people do treatment 1 first, then treatment 2. And some I might say do treatment 2 and then treatment 1. And then I'll compare, and then at the end of it, compare the response. And I would randomly select which people go into which group. Okay? Alright, that's just a quick little one. I mean, we talked about experiments before in the lesson video, but I just wanted to kind of highlight that here a little bit more. And if you need more before the test, let me know, and we'll be sure to talk about it some more. Alright, there you go.